Hello everyone, this is Nessa LadyVee Genie Creations. Hey, I'm going to be seasoning my chicken so I can make some fried chicken wings. Hey. Ooh. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Tinkle, tinkle. McCormick, black pepper. Don't come for me, my nails ain't done yet. Y'all know I keep them cute. Slap your mama. I don't know what this season right here. This season right here is everything. Garlic powder. Greek seasoning. This lady introduced me to this seasoning in Walmart, and I've been using it ever since. Okay, dash salt free. Over here I'm not trying to use no salt. 50 and fabulous. And I'm gonna try a little bit of this Creole seasoning, original. It's a little small batch of chicken wings, some chicken wings, and you just mix them up. Let them marinate. Hot oil for that fried chicken. We're gonna fry them chicken wings. Add my chicken wings.